Hello guys, once more, this is the Safi with another video. Okay, so in this video I want to show you some good news from Safaricom and how you can check the validity of whether you need to register your SIM card or not. So today, you know that Safaricom announced that it's not all Kenyans who need to register for their SIM card. But now the big question comes here is, how do you check for the validity of whether you need to register your SIM card or not? So here we will show you all the steps you need to know. And so in case if you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, this is the right time for you to do so, as you need not to miss any update we make here. So I'll just go ahead and show you how you can check for the validity of your SIM card to know what to do. So let's get started. So as you can see that on reliable sources of information like Nation have actually shown us the news that Chiloba has clarified the issue that it's not all Kenyans who need to register SIM card afresh. So these are news from the nation.africa, so you can go ahead and check. I will just leave you some links in the description for you to check. So I will just want to show you how you can confirm or check the validity if you need to register or not. So here now here on the Msafi, I've shown you all the steps what you need to do, and for you to confirm you just need to dial *106# for you to check the status. Yeah, I hope now you got it. You just need to dial *106#. Now if you dial *106#, this is the first prompt you will get. So it will ask you, what do you want to do? Check my numbers, report a no number, check reported numbers, cancel a reported number, frequently asked questions, chichanue. So exactly what do you need to dial here? So you just go ahead and dial number 1. So dial number 1. If you dial number 1, this is what you will get. Numbers registered using your ID are this and this and this and this one. So this is now where the main thing is here. If you don't get your number right here, so it means that you need to register your SIM card. So in that case, you need to just visit a nearest Safaricom shop and register a SIM card. So if you get your number right here, so you don't need to worry, you are okay, and you can enjoy the benefits of using Safaricom line. So guys, I have one last thing that you need to know. So here at Tech Safi, we keep you regular updates on what is happening here in Kenya, technology, anything happening. So in case you are not a member, it's very high time for you smash that subscribe button and you will be sure that you will never miss any notification we make here at Tech Msafi.